Comparison between human and mouse genome. The mouse genome is about 14% smaller than the human genome. Over 90% of the mouse and human genomes, they can be partitioned into corresponding regions of conserved centenary. At the nucleotide level, 40% of the human genome can be aligned to the mouse genome. So it means that the mouse genome and the human genome, they have alignment or the similarity up to 40% at the level of nucleotides. Mouse and human genome each seems to be having approximately 23,000 genes. The proportion of mouse genes without any homologue currently detectable in human genome is less than 1%. Despite marked differences in activity of the transposable elements, similar types of the repeat sequences have been observed in both genomes. Here is the comparison between human and mouse genome. A typical 510 kb segment of mouse chromosome 12 that shares the common ancestry with the 600 kb section of human chromosome 14. So this is human chromosome 14 and this is human chromosome 12, and the blue lines they connect the reciprocal unique matches in two genomes. Mean every line that corresponds to the homology or the unique match with each other all at these locations. So from this data we can see that the segment of mouse genome or the mouse chromosome 12 has the homology with the human chromosome 12. Mouse genome contains fewer CpG islands as compared to the humans. GC content and density of CpG island shows more variability in case of human than the mouse genome. Human chromosomes, they show more variation in case of GC contents, particularly on the chromosome 16, 17, 19 and 22, where they have higher GC contents, while on chromosome 13 there is low GC content in case of human genome. The density of the CpG island is relatively homogeneous for all mouse chromosomes. In case of mouse chromosomes, that the CpG island, they are scattered throughout the genome, while in case of human genomes, they have high density at some locations and low density on other locations. Approximately 99% of mouse genes have a homologous gene or homology in the human genome. If we conclude the comparison between the mouse genome and the human genome, mouse genome is approximately 14% smaller than the human genome. Both mouse genome and human genome, they have approximately 23,000 genes, and both human and mouse, they have similar type of the diseases that can be due to the same type of the genes.